Good morning, dear student. In the previous classes, I have taught you about the two cost, that is TFC and TVC, or total fixed cost and total variable cost. Today, in this class, I am going to teach you about the third cost, that is the total cost. Now, total cost. What is the total cost? If you add total fixed cost and the total variable cost, it becomes a total cost, or we can say in another word, all total expenses incurred by a firm for producing total units of a commodity is called the total cost. Now, total cost is simply the sum of TFC plus TBC. Now let me explain you about the how total cost is derived with the help of. Suppose the up firm want to produce 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 5 units, and as the table shows, total fixed cost is 12, 12, 12. As you know, it remains constant, and the total variable cost is at the 0 level is 0, first level is 6, second level is 10, third level is 15, 24, and 35, so on. Now, if you add both TFC plus TBC, it becomes TC as given in the diagram. If same information is represented on the diagram, the three curves can be derived on the basis of all three information. As you see, TFC is parallel to x-axis because it do not have any change. Either the production is 0 or 5. TC and TVC both are inverse S shaped. Inverse S. First, you will find the inverse S. In previous class, I have explained to you why they are inverse S. Now you will find TC and TBC are moving parallel. Now, why they are parallel? Because the difference between TC and TBC is TFC, that is equivalent to 12. Or we can say at every point, every difference of TC and TBC, the difference is the 12. So TC and TBC are parallel. They always moves parallel. Again, you can see the TVC is starting from the 0, but TC never starts from the 0. Because at the 0 level of output, TC is positive. TC is positive, that is equivalent to TFC. Or we can conclude one more thing. At 0 level of output, TC and TBC, only at 0 level of output, the TC and TFC can be equal at only one point, that is 0 level of output. Now let us uh, let us explain you relationship between what is the relationship between TC, TFC and TBC. As you know, TFC curve is straight line parallel to the x-axis, and it remains constant to the all level of production as it suggests. Second, TFC curve is inversely S-shaped. Inversely S here means first it is uh, increasing slowly, then it fast. Inverse S-shaped, as told you. In The TC and the TFC curves are inversely S-shaped because they rise initially at the decreasing rate and then constant rate and finally increasing rate due to law of variable proportion. In the class of TBC, I have taught you this thing, and I have again this told you right now. At the 0 level of output, TC and TFC are equal, but TBC, TC and TFC are equal, but TBC is 0. Second, the vertical distance. I have told you right now the distance between TC and TBC. The distance between TC and TBC always remains equal, or means we can say TC and TBC moves parallel, because the distance between these is 12, that is equivalent to 12. Now these are the cost. I want to now we have studied three types of total cost. First one is total fixed cost, second one is total variable cost, third one is total cost. Now total cost formula, total cost can be derived by first formula. You can say TC, total cost, is equals to TFC plus TBC. Second formula, you can calculate TC by another formula also, that is TC is equals to AC multiplied by Q, or if average cost is multiplied with quantity produced, then also we can find the total cost. Now dear student, in the next class I will teach you three types of average cost. These are average fixed cost AFC, second one is average variable cost ABC, and the third one is average total cost, that is called ATC, sometime somewhere called AC, average cost, and somewhere SMC. SMC here means short run marginal or short run average cost, SAC. And for today, thank you and have a nice